We're very excited to announce the release of our latest course on Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. In this highly immersive and interactive course, students get to know artificial intelligence through hands-on experiments. Be prepared to see how the AI and the robot respond to your input, and how you can design your own colourful tracks to play Capture the Flag. Celebrate your success with balloons, and at the end of the course, there's a certificate waiting for you. Without coding, the course teaches about data input, processing and output. A little sensor under the robot watches the track and provides the red, green, blue values to the AI, which then decides which of the two motors, or both, it needs to activate. The learning outcomes from this course are valuable to understand the fundamentals of artificial neural networks and how they can interface with the real world. In the case of this course, a little robot. Teachers, you can track student progress from the comfort of the course statistics page. That's especially useful if your students are remote. To learn more, visit mycomputerbrain.net.